G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. We're down at Mike's Dyno. We're just about ready to see Dean Holloway's awesome suspect ute get put on the dyno. She's all bolted down on the hub. We're ready to go. I'm just going to have a quick chat with Dean. He can tell you a little bit about the car, and then we're going to make some noise. So yeah, Dean, thanks for coming.
Cheers, Flinty.
Looking forward to seeing this thing up on the dyno. Tell us a little bit about the car.
So it's a Build L98. Aaron Deary from ADR Engines built it. We've got an LSA Crank, some high beam rods, CP Pistons, LSA CNC ported heads, and a D871 on top.
Nice, so she's built for a bit of boost?
Yeah, hopefully.
Awesome. Well, just driving it in here, it is loud as fuck. Expecting 20 pound of boost through this thing, so yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what this thing will do. You've had the car for a while, have you?
Yeah, I've had this car since 2013. It's taken me 5 years to build.
Yeah.
Hopefully it was all worth it.
Yeah, nice.
It seems that way, but there's a few people I'd like to thank. Dom and Tony at Audio Image in Waigara. They are unreal with what they do.
Yeah.
Couldn't have done it without them. Obviously Aaron from ADR Engines. He's done a magnificent job, the tuning wise, everything. Custom home and car tinting. They did all the tint on it. Emerald Ink. They helped me out with a lot of parts to get this running, so I'm really thankful for that. And Northcon Wreckers. Yeah, nice. They've helped me out with a lot of parts as well. So yeah, they're very thankful for the people that have helped me.
Awesome.
Have I missed anyone?
If there's anyone we missed, we'll put you up in the video commentary as well. But yeah, you certainly can't. Well, it's very difficult to build a car like this without a lot of help and a lot of support from businesses around the traps. One thing I forgot to mention, this hat. Got a bit of a history. I believe it's off Craig Whiddett's CUTSIK and Mutiny.
Yeah, and I was lucky to get my hands on it when I seen it, so definitely sets apart, and I did want to be a bit different coming back, so yeah, I'm very stoked with it.
Yeah, no, it looks awesome. So enough of me talking. Dean, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Let's get into this, and if all goes according to plan, we might be doing some laps at the track this afternoon as well. So keep watching the video and you'll find out if that'll happen. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around.
Oh, that's fine.
Jesus Christ.
That's fucking sick.
pulled out from somewhere.
Oh, come out here.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, pull it out there.
Come out the north side.